Hi, in this tutorial I continue with creating this vector graphic, and if you're new to my tutorials, visit my channel. You can find a lot of Inkscape tutorials there. If you're a beginner, you want to learn the basics, you can watch the beginner's guide playlist, or if you want to, you can watch my other tutorials like this one where I create vector graphics and learn some additional tricks. And also, if you're interested in photo editing, you can visit my other channel where I make tutorials on GIMP, which is a photo editing software. I'll put link in the description. Now here what I want to do next is add a little highlight, and the first thing I'll do is select this part, Control D to duplicate it and change the color to white, and then I'm going to zoom in and also make sure this is on top. Let's move it over here. Let's click away and see how this looks. Now I'm going to select it, go over here and select this tool, make sure this is converted to a path, and then I'm going to grab these two nodes, move them over here, and the next thing I need to do is go to the fill and stroke tool. Actually, before that, we don't need this. Just select these two nodes and other one in the middle. Now make sure I selected only one of the nodes. Let's zoom out, grab it and move it all the way to the tip over here. And another thing I can do here is now go ahead and select the fill and stroke tool and reduce the opacity a little bit. Something like this. Now nobody is going to observe this graphic from this close, so you make sure it looks good from the distance that it's meant to be seen. So from here it looks good enough to me. And the next thing I want to do is select this everything, Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to move it over here just to have a copy of this pencil. Then I'll select this, click one more time, and I can rotate it, let's say to this position. Then I'm going to flip it, and I need to rotate it again to make the brighter part here and the darker here. And I'll move it away, then zoom in, and I will show you how you can change the colors. Now first let's select this part over here, go to the fill and stroke, and let's say we want to make a red crayon, so select a red color, and this one I want to be bright. Then I can Control C to copy this color and select this part over here and paste it, and undo that. Make sure we select this one, paste it over here. Now I'll select this part, paste it over here, the color, and then make it a little bit darker. Now this part, Control C, but before that let's undo and make sure we copy this color, Control C, and then Control V here. Then I'll paste it again here and make sure I have a darker color. Then copy this and paste it over here. So you see how we change the cover of this pencil. Very quick and easy. Then you can group it if you want to. You can create some kind of a background, export it. So this is basically for this tutorial. You can create as many crayons if you want to with different colors, rotate them around. I will put this graphic in the Facebook page so you can see it in a better quality. Also, I'm going to put it in the first link in the description where you can download it for free and use it for anything you want. So that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe, like the video. That's it for now. Bye.